All right. Welcome to the channel. In this episode of Stock Market Today, I want to pose a question. Do you think that DeepSeek is crushing the market? We're going to take a little dive into CNBC and let's see what they have to say about it.
Filtered and influenced by Chinese government priorities. Put another way, this makes TikTok look like a warm-up act. While TikTok raised alarms over privacy and influence, DeepSeek as an AI model represents something far more profound: control over knowledge and information. And that is a whole new challenge, because this isn't just about technological superiority, but the ideological frameworks embedded, raising uncomfortable questions about how much a single government can exert over global discourse in the age of AI. Finally, guys, be sure to catch our deep dive that looks at all the nuances and implications of the rise as it continues to play out in real time, guys, in markets, among developers, with consumers, and now potential cybersecurity implications.
Well, initially, upon DeepSeek's release date, a lot of tech stocks fell astronomically. Now, of all of them, Nvidia fell the hardest, nearly 17%. Now, that was the biggest drop in stock market history for one day. By the way, the ticker for Nvidia is NVDA. And some other tech stocks that fell along with that are Broadcom, the ticker is AVGO, and Oracle, the ticker is ORCL. Even some of the richest men in the world lost significant amounts of money. One being Michael Dell and the co-founder of Binance. However, with all that said, the overall market has rebounded. And now some tech stocks are actually receptive to DeepSeek, even to the point where some of them are saying that DeepSeek is helpful to their business. Just listen to this clip of what the CEOs of AMD and Google had to say about DeepSeek.
Eastern Time. When it comes to the artificial intelligence threat from China's DeepSeek, everyone in Silicon Valley seems to be singing from the same hymn sheet. Two more voices joined the choir on Tuesday. Alphabet, the parent company of search engine Google, only had good things to say about DeepSeek when it reported mixed results. Tremendous and very good work is how CEO Sundar Pichai described the upstart, which claims to have developed an AI model that rivals those made by US tech companies at a fraction of the cost. Pichai added that Google's models are still some of the best. Lisa Su, CEO of chipmaker AMD, said DeepSeek shows how quickly the technology is innovating, which is good for business.
Now, I don't know what you who's watching this video did during that time, but personally, I bought stocks as much as I could. One thing I did, I bought 100 shares of NVIDIA, and it cost me about 11 bands. Now, that particular day, NVIDIA was as high as $147 a share, or close to it. When I seen that reversal, I jumped all over it. I didn't catch the whole drop, as it's very hard to try to catch stocks when they tank like that and you're trying to buy them in bargain. Now, I saw it that day drop to about 113 and change, but I caught it at 116. Now, what you're looking at here is the fear and greed index. And so far, since the market's recovered, people aren't as fearful as they once were, and then since the new year had began. As you see, it's like a 39, so it's closer to neutral. So there are seven fear and greed indicators, one being market momentum, and this is pretty much how the S&P was moving over 6 months, or I shouldn't say 6 months, but 125 days. So I guess, yeah, that is about 6 months. This is the S&P, and this is the 125-day moving average. So that's one metric that's used. So currently, as you see here, investors are in fear mode. Go back to the indicator, you see. And the previous, they were more fearful a little bit. Last week, a little bit. Now, last month, they weren't as fearful. Last year, they were greedy. Now, I'm no financial advisor, but in my opinion, this is a good metric to use when you want to invest in stocks. If you see that the overall market is in fear, or especially extreme fear, that, believe it or not, in my opinion, is the best time to get into quality stocks that you know, like, and will invest in. But then again, that's my opinion. In fact, this is something that I personally use when I invest, or I'm about to invest in the market. And by the way, it's free. Just go to CNN and type in Fear and Greed Index, and it should come up. Now, I'm not going to explain all of these, but I'm just going to call out the other 6. So you have stock price strength, stock price breadth, put and call options, market volatility, safe haven demand, junk bond demand. Now, I'm not going to go through the explanation of all of these. Like I said, this is you can get yourself free. Now, I hope that anyone that asks the question, when should I get in the market, when should I start, you can start once you have this tool to use. I mean, there's more to it than that, but at least this will give you a good heads up as to when you should invest or not invest. So, what did you think of the video? Did you learn anything? Was it helpful? If I added value, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't and you're ready to start your investing journey, there's a few links in the description. One for Robinhood, one for WEBULL. Or you can very well use any brokerage of your choice. Do know, I am not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence before investing in the stock market, or anything for that matter. Till next video, love you, be well, and peace.